How long did it take you altogether from the first day you decided you started to study, let's say, until you actually cleared both exams?
The whole of, would you say?
Everything from your first day when you started to study for the exam and when you finish it.
It took me 2 years almost. So I started in soft started in end of 2016, and I got my results in end of 2018. So yeah, so it was 2 years altogether for everything.
Me, I think it was October 2019, and then I passed in July 2021. So it was, yeah, up to
2 years, yeah.
Yeah. 2 years, I think, is minimum because you have to space out, right? So I think that's the minimum you're looking at. Otherwise, what's the point that you won't pass the exam, then you do an extra sitting and all of that. So it's better to space it out. Be sure when you really want to take the exam, book it then and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people, they say, I've heard such an expression that I already paid for the exam, I already booked it. I'm halfway there. It sounds even funny. It's not such an exam that you know, just being able to sit at is not taking you halfway there. But it's a very good point about timing, because I think that is one of the reasons why people fail. The actual passing grades dropped in SQE1 in the last sitting as well, because many people, they rely on some assumption. I don't know who produced it, but I've heard a lot of things in the social media. It's not an easy exam. It's not something, you know, if you prepare for something which is, it's a huge volume of material, 14 subjects, 4 years, they study for that, you know. I don't believe providers who say you can make it in 6 months. You can make it in 6 months if you studied in the UK and covered all of that, then yes, you can revise in 6 months, and in 6 months you can practice those multiple choice questions if you find good one, because it's another problem, to be honest.